I'm Brian Holtkamp. I'm a senior studying psychology with a minor in human relations, and I'm from Mount Pleasant, Iowa. The most challenging part of my college experience was the transition from being hyper involved in high school to not having the expectation to be involved in college. My parents hadn't had the opportunity to go to a university, so when I did come, they didn't know or expect me to get involved and how that would impact my college experience. But when I did, I found out that I was able to feel like I was a part of a group and feel like a part of a community that had larger impact, and that really made me feel like I was a Hawkeye and a part of a family. And now I just feel like I have a passion that I'm working towards, and that can develop my future plans as well as have lasting impact on others that I meet as well.
Hi, I'm Victor Diaz. I'm a recent graduate of the University of Iowa. I study linguistics and Spanish, and next year I'll be in Mexico teaching English on a Fulbright. During my time here at the university, I really learned how to be interdependent. Before then, my parents and I really didn't know anything about college because they never graduated from a university or college. But when I arrived, I learned that I couldn't do everything by myself as I did during the admissions process. I really had to rely on the resources that the university had to provide. So, having that support system really, made me the student that I am today and, the alumni that I am. And I'm excited to go forward and see what this degree has in store for me.
My very first semester at Iowa, I placed into calculus for the biological sciences. In the beginning of the course, I was very frustrated because I was having a hard time keeping up in my discussion. I figured out that getting help sooner rather than later was the best option because my professor was more understanding of my confusion in the class. She worked personally with me, responded quickly to my emails, and kept telling me to keep visiting her in her office. Eventually, the difficulties I had in the course weren't so difficult anymore. I also used the math tutorial lab to get help with my homework.
Hi, I'm Ray, and I'm majoring in interdepartmental studies within applied human services track. I really overcame an academic obstacle in rhetoric. I wanted to do well on a major paper, and I didn't know how to continue. I was hesitant about asking for help, but ended up talking to my instructor in her office hours. She guided me towards finding a solid topic and also recommended the Writing Center, which was helpful to me as well. I learned that it's okay to ask for help. You can't do everything alone, and you don't have to.